Checking out Logan's train layout here of Trax. Still got a pile sitting right over there. Look at that, he's got tunneled underneath the bed. He's got it all over the place, huh, Logan?
Yep.
He's got, you need, what do you got? 2 controllers in one hand over there? Is that what that is?
Yep.
I'll be. Look at him go, running 3 trains at once. Unbelievable. Oh, 4 controllers. Are you kidding me? Wow. Oh yeah. Arrow's sitting over there, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. Uh-oh. I see it. Uh-oh. Woohoo! You just stopped that one in time, huh? Wow. That is really, really cool, Logan.
No.
Let's do a pretend we're the helicopter. Oh yeah, look at that. Go under the bed. Woo, good cavern under there. We got our depot all lined up. All right. Awesome, man. Awesome, 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 Logan.